Rolling.
As you're aware, a Category 4 hurricane that's expected to turn into a Category 5 storm is expected to hit landfall sometime early evening to mid-evening tonight. I'm going to share with you, while all of Florida is really going to be impacted from Key West all the way to the north central region. All of them will be affected in some way, but there are 18 churches that are in a direct path of this massive storm. And I'm going to read to you those 18 churches along with their pastors, asking you to join us in prayer, specifically calling their names before the Lord. Bokeelia, Pastor Terry and Tinker Hunter. Bradenton, Pastor Olive and Henry Eldon. Bradenton, our Haitian congregation, Pastor Mark and Ivencia Etienne. Bradenton on Manatee Avenue, Pastor Jose and Beatrice Riviera. Fort Myers Glorious Church, Pastor Raymond and Virgie Simon. Fort Myers Marion Street, Pastor Alex and Libnis Lazo. Fort Myers Michigan Avenue, Pastor Lawford White and his wife Maxine. Lehigh Acres, Pastor Wantworth and Vanette Heron. Lehigh, our Haitian congregation, Pastor John and Nanud LaFontante. Our Naples congregation, Pastor Lonick and Nedline Germain. Northport, Pastor Elaine Lowers. Punta Gorda, Pastor Dan and Elaine Love. Palm Harbor, Pastor Scott and Shelley Creasy. Tampa, High Praise, Pastor Brian and Vanessa Nolf. Tampa, City of Praise, our new Slavic congregation, Pastor Andre and Luda Shrishko. Tampa Forest Hills, Pastor Zhivago and Romika Adderley. Tampa Hyde Park, Pastor Nathaniel and Mary Forbes. And last, Valrico, Pastor Curtis Frederick. As you know, the storm has already passed through Key West, and there are certainly trees down, places that have been affected, some flooding in areas, but according to our pastor, Gene, there's not any serious damage to his home and others in the area that we're aware of at this time. So please join us as we pray a covering over these pastors, churches, and members of the Church of God of Prophecy in Florida. Thanks for joining us in prayer.